All right, let's talk about Klover. If you've ever found yourself in a tight spot before payday and needed a little extra cash to hold you over, Klover is one of those apps that promises to help without the usual headaches of payday loans or credit checks. The big selling point? You can access up to $200 with zero interest and no late fees. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, let's break it down. First off, getting started with Klover is pretty simple. You sign up, connect your bank account, and you're eligible for an advance based on your income and spending habits. There's no credit check, which is a relief for anyone worried about dings on their score. The catch? Klover makes money by using your data, completely anonymized, they say, so that businesses can serve you more targeted ads. It's a trade-off, but if you're okay with that, it's a fair exchange for a no-interest advance. One thing I really like is the way Klover lets you earn extra perks through their points system. You can complete surveys, watch ads, or even share receipts to rack up points, which can then be used to increase your advance or enter daily sweepstakes. It's a creative way to engage users while offering a bit more flexibility. They also have budgeting tools, credit tracking, and incentives for saving money, which makes it more than just a cash advance app. There's actually a bit of financial wellness built in. Of course, no app is perfect. While the no interest advance is great, there is a fee if you want the money instantly, which can add up if you use it frequently. Also, since advances are tied to your paycheck history, new employees or gig workers might not qualify right away. And while their data policy is transparent, the idea of trading personal information for financial perks won't sit well with everyone. Overall, Klover is a solid option if you need a little extra cash before payday and don't want to deal with traditional payday loans. It's easy to use, offers helpful financial tools, and doesn't trap you in a cycle of debt. Just be aware of how they make money, and if you're cool with that, it could be a useful tool in your financial toolkit.